What's up, Tyler Moores? It's me, your boy, and to all my subscribers and crew. Okay, listen up. I got only one topic to say today. If you're familiar with Redneck Upchurch, drop a like. If you're not, drop a dislike. But for right now. No, okay, wait, switch that. If you don't know him, if you like or don't know him, drop a like. If you know him but you don't like him, dislike. Okay, guys, feel free to put any comments and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get on topic. There's been two guys I've seen on Redneck Upchurch videos that saying that he's a poser. Now, comment below if you think that it's fair to call someone a poser just because they're in a different kind of culture. But truly, they're the posers because they're thinking they're better than him at everything at every time. Upchurch Redneck, if you watch this, bro, I'm your biggest fan. I happen to be in the family of Rednecks too. I mean, it runs through our blood. You can't stop Redneck. So, just like you know, I'm a huge fan. I'd love for you to drop a like or something like that. Yeah, so I don't understand what these is without Redneck being posers and crap. But they need to cut that crap out, bro. Just because that's just ridiculous. And those guys who made fun of you, off their shoulder. I mean, why would you criticize them? It's just stupid, bro. That's all it is. Well, that's all I was really making this video tonight. And I just want to let y'all know that it is very stupid to criticize one just for their acts. So make sure to drop a subscription. Make sure to drop a like. Make sure to drop everything. Because once you do, drop a comment if you want to. Tell me how you think about people criticizing someone just because of their culture. Come on, guys. I know you want to. Alright, so we're going to explore my new house. It's a little bit of a mess. Here's the kitchen area. Here's the living. Here's my mom's room. Here's the master bathroom. Kitty. That's where we take our donuts. And crap, yeah, so. Right now, just want to let you know that I'm a savage. That's my mom. That's my kitty. That's my other kitty. Come here. Come here. This is my kitty. Oh. Walking away. Say hi. Say hi. Don't walk away. You're a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Look at that YouTuber, bro. He doesn't like being on camera, but he is on the... Oh, he's a YouTuber. Okay, guys, so... Gotta be a savage. Okay, so this is... Right now, this is the hurricane. The heavy showers is coming through here, coming up.
Flooding is not a big concern. Tornadoes
There,
are
crap,
not a
yeah, so
concern.
like, if you take
It's the
from
wind
here,
plus the rain loosening
that's
on the
where
soil.
I am
That's
right now.
going to be rising the potential for at least
So,
some tree damage.
it's coming up
Keep it
through
here
there
on
and crap,
WCCTV.
so yeah. So this one just takes my mom. Alright guys, I know my screen's a little bit blurry, but...
Well, that gray and white one you were talking about, the gray and white cat, is it up there? Have you seen him up there?
Alright guys, so this is where my dad keeps all this crap. He's one of those guys who like keep it neat. So here we go, we're coming in here. Coming in here. This is the one I started my vlog. I know it's already because my sister just cleaned the room. But this is where I started my vlog earlier. You would have noticed in the background. And this is my sister's room. Her book bag. That's her. It's her closet. Currently single. And yeah, I know it's dirty in here right now because we haven't got a chance to clean up. But usually we can. This is where all the magic happens.
I am not single.
My room. Shut up, Lexi. My room. This is where I'm hiding during the hurricane. So yeah, that's the house tour. And oh, kitty. This is my favorite kitty. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hey, kid. Hey, Tyler Morse. This girl is so cute. She's so cute, guys. She likes to be held. She's so sweet, bro. And yeah, I know there's an umbrella right there right now, but let's check this out. Okay, currently right now it's raining. Let's take a picture of better view. Alright guys, so look at all that rain. It's like pouring hard here. Oh yeah, and guys, try to do your best to Texas, Florida, and other parts that have been hit with this hurricane and Hurricane Harvey. Please try to support them in ways you can understand. If you will support them, leave down a comment. Every comment I get, I'll try my hardest to.
Tell them what hurricane it is, like Hurricane Irma.
I'll try.
Hurricane Irma.
And I'll try to, every comment I get or like, that's another $1 to them. And actually, I've been putting about $500 total right now down there because my sister's down there right now and crap. So yeah, just drop me a like, guys, or subscribe, please. I need some subscribers, man. Alright, guys, well, this is the end of my video. I'll talk to y'all later whenever I get a chance. Peace!